In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust shipping rates on Shopify. Whether you want to increase shipping fees, offer cheaper delivery options, or create custom rates for different regions, Shopify makes it easy to manage your shipping settings. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls all of your store's shipping profiles, zones, and rates. If you want to edit an existing shipping setup, find the shipping profile you want to modify and click Manage. If you're creating separate rates for certain products, click Create New Profile instead. Within the shipping profile, review your shipping zones. Shipping zones determine which countries, states, or regions your shipping rates apply to. You can click Add Shipping Zone to create a new zone or edit an existing one. Next, locate the shipping rate you want to adjust and click Edit Rate. If no rate exists yet, click Add Rate to create a new one. Enter the shipping rate details. You can set a flat shipping fee, create free shipping offers, or establish conditions based on order value or package weight. For example, you might charge a standard shipping fee for orders under a certain amount and offer free shipping above that threshold. After entering your desired shipping price and settings, click Done to save the rate. Finally, click Save at the top of the page to apply all your changes. Your updated shipping rates will now be available to customers during checkout. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your shipping rates on Shopify. Thanks for watching.